Story Nest.
Bella the bunny, with her fluffy white fur and perpetually twitching pink nose, hummed a cheerful tune as she gathered plump ruby-red strawberries in a woven basket. Sunlight dappled through the leaves of the old oak tree, painting dancing patterns on the forest floor. Max the mouse, dapper in his tiny blue vest, scurried around her feet, his whiskers twitching with excitement. "Are you sure these are enough, Bella?" he squeaked, his voice barely a whisper above the rustling leaves. "It's going to be a big surprise." Bella chuckled, her ears flopping playfully. "Of course, Max. These strawberries are the sweetest in the whole sunny meadow. And look!" She pointed with a delicate paw towards the sky, where a magnificent rainbow arced across the blue, its vibrant colors shimmering in the gentle rain that had just passed. "It's a good omen for our party." Back in their cozy burrow, the aroma of warm vanilla filled the air. Flour dusted Bella's nose like powdered sugar, and Max perched precariously on a stool, carefully drizzled honey into a mixing bowl. The rainbow's glow seemed to seep into their kitchen, casting a soft, colorful light on their busy preparations. They stirred and whisked, their teamwork a symphony of happy squeaks and gentle thumps. The cake, golden brown and smelling heavenly, sat cooling on a wire rack. Now came the best part: decorating. Bella carefully spread a creamy frosting, the color of a sunset, while Max arranged the freshly picked strawberries in a playful spiral on top. Tiny sugar flowers, shimmering with all the colors of the rainbow, were scattered around the edges, making the cake look like a magical centerpiece. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across Sunny Meadow, their friends began to arrive, their eyes widening in delight at the sight of the magnificent rainbow cake. Giggles and happy chatter filled the air as Bella and Max beamed, their hearts full of joy. The surprise party was a resounding success, a sweet celebration under the lingering glow of the rainbow, all thanks to their delightful escapade in baking.